you don't want to do braidless crochet until you watch this video. So these are my thoughts on braidless crochet. Sorry about the noise in the background. I have a space heater in here because my studio gets a little too cold for my liking. I'm taking this out. It's been a week. Lulutress hair itself is pretty good. Very minimal tangles. I haven't had to clean it up as much. Some of the crochet hairs I have to trim it and clean it up because it mats up. This has not matted up. I actually like it. I think I will be getting it again to try it longer. The reason why I'm taking my crochet out in a week is because I have learned some things from braidless crochet and I want to share them with you. Number one, make sure when you do braidless crochet to have numerous parts. Don't just have like 2 parts unless you don't care about scratching your scalp. You want to do maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braids, 8 braids, or twists. Don't just do 1, 2, 3, 4 like I did. If you want to reach your scalp, I like to be able to reach my scalp. I like to be able to oil my scalp, and it was a little hard to do it because I didn't have enough parts and the crochet hair was on top of my hair, so I could not reach. You can't get to your scalp. That's one. Secondly, if you're going to be doing braidless crochet for extended length of time, treat your hair before you do braidless crochet. When you have cornrows, you are able to go through the lines and oil your scalp, take care of your hair. When you have these big chunks of braids or twists that you have crocheted on, it's hard to get to your scalp and you can't oil your hair as much. So beware of that. One other thing that I think will help me next time is to twist or to braid my hair wet. Because my hair was dry, the crochet couldn't hold too long. It was a bit too loose, if I could explain it. Because my hair was dry, the crochet hair just went through it a bit too easy. Do you see that? And it wasn't sturdy. It couldn't hold any manipulation. It felt like the hair was coming out. The crochet strands, the hair strands that I chose were too thick, so they were unraveling. What I've noticed is, maybe it's Lulutress, I'm not sure, but naturally crochet unravels when your strands are too thick. So that's what's happened. My strands were coming, like, look at this. You know, I had to re-pull them and tighten them because they were just coming apart. I didn't like that. So that's one thing. You want to take smaller strands, probably like this, and crochet individual strands like this. The reason why I'm saying I would like to braid my hair wet next time is because with product in it, your hair dries down a little tougher. So I would like to try the braidless crochet again next time with wet hair that has braided down, dried up, probably with maybe a netting over it for more security. That way the hair will last longer than a week. Do I find braidless crochet easy? No. I don't like being disorganized, and I feel, in my opinion, I feel that braidless crochet makes me feel a bit disorganized, because when I have braids to put crochet on, I feel like I know what I have to do next, and I have to braid the next, you know, put the next hair on the next braid. With braidless crochet, you have the freedom. Ooh, did I cut my hair? With braidless crochet, you have the freedom to put the hair wherever you want, and it just makes me feel overwhelmed because I feel like I haven't covered an area properly and I have to move over. You do use less hair, that's a plus, but it doesn't move fast for me, and I can't move in a systematic approach, you know. I don't know, it's just, that's just my thought. That's just how I feel about braidless crochet. Thanks to Msnaturallymary. She has beautiful braidless crochet. I love the one that she did. I'll put her name in the description box so you can check her out. I also saw braidless crochet with Thekeyisme Me. She is the queen of braidless crochet. She's really good at it. So yeah, I fell in love with the idea from these two ladies. And there's another girl, I can't remember her name, but I'll put her, when I find her, I'll put in the description box. She is amazing with braidless crochet as well. She calls it the lazy girl crochet. And so these ladies make it look very beautiful, very inviting. And so I feel like maybe with a little bit more patience, I can do a better job at it. This looked good the first few days that I had it, until the hair just started pulling and trying to unravel on me. And then my base just wasn't strong. You see that? My base wasn't strong and I didn't like that. So I'm going to take this hair out and try again next time. I don't know what hair I'm going to use, but I do know that this Lulutress hair is definitely something I would like to try again. It didn't tangle much. I mean, this is the most tangle I've seen. And even that, it's a soft tangle. You know what I mean? Look at that. It's not bad at all. So I would definitely give Lulutress a thumbs up. I would like to try this hair or another of their hairs again. Caring for this hair, I didn't do much. I just put a bonnet on, went to bed. That's all I did. Did I have any frizzes that I had to cut away? No. But I almost feel like it will unravel so easy. But then again, I don't want to blame the hair. I feel like the thickness that I took, the chunks I took were too thick for crochet anyway. So next time when I try Lulutress, I'll take smaller strands. Okay, like for instance, this strand is pretty small, you know, and it still acts like it would like to unravel if the hair is very short. So anyway, I'll give it a shot again and see. But it's beautiful hair. I don't know how it will do in water, beach or swimming pool. I don't know how it will act, so I can't answer that. Was it worth the price? I bought it for $6.99 a pack. Minimal tangles, but then it's only been a week. Will I spend $6.99 again on this hair? I will. I would like to give it another shot. I know it's expensive, but and $6.99 is not that expensive, but you know what I mean. It's not $4.99. But I will definitely give it a shot again because it was beautiful. The curl pattern, the shine, it looked very natural. People thought it was my hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to end the video here. I just wanted to come on real quick and let you guys know my 1 week thoughts and the fact that I'm taking it out because I didn't like my technique of installation. So learn from my mistakes. You probably want your hair a little wet or have a base and netting over it to have a good base. This hump was a bad idea. I should have split my hair in two and probably have a good flat cornrow or twist down. This hump made the hair stand up, poof up, so that wasn't flattering. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.